My name is Arfiona, and my school is at Harapan Mulian, and my sister's is Vesmitio. Mulian Arna. My first cat is just liking scratching me and biting me, so that's why I have all of this in my leg. She always likes to scratch. Kitty, the first cat is Kitty. My first cat loves to scratch me, but she's still funny. She always loves to scratch me when I want to meet her. And they only love my two sisters. I don't know why I don't know why. Been eating and then saying meow, eating and saying meow. She doesn't love to scratch me, but she's just so cute, like chubby, and she always follows daddy. Like to eat cat food. When I was trying to touch her, she always runs away. Kitty is already so old, like 10 years old. I don't know how old she is. I think she's just like 5 years old or 4 years old. I don't know. Socks, and she's so cute. Half white socks.